The availability of your enterprise mobility services is indicated on the title bar. The connectivity icon displays the connection state: either not connected, connected to enterprise services, or connected with enterprise services with Voice over IP capability. In the case when you don't have connectivity, calls cannot be placed or received and no other enterprise services are available, such as Enterprise Directory Query or instant messaging. When you don't have Wi-Fi connectivity, calls can only be placed if you have a cellular data-enabled iPad and you have a cellular data connection. In this case, enterprise services are also available, such as Enterprise Directory Query, instant messaging, and Presence. If you have Wi-Fi or a cellular data connection but do not allow calls, such as when you are roaming, then enterprise services are still available, but calls are not possible. Finally, with enterprise services with Voice over IP, calls are routed via Voice over IP, and all enterprise services are available. Tapping on the connection status icon shows further details about the current connection. In the Preferences menu, the Data and Call Routing menu item allows you to enable or disable a particular network or control how calls are routed. You can control which networks the mobility application uses, like for presence information. For example, you can disable cellular data usage while roaming. You can also control which networks are used for calling. For example, while roaming, you could allow Wi-Fi VoIP calls but disable cellular data calls. For more information, consult your ShoreTel Mobility User Guide.